Echinoderms are characterized by radial symmetry, which means several arms radiating from a central body. The body actually consists of 5 equal segments, each containing a duplicate set of various internal organs. They have no heart, brain, nor eyes, but some brittle stars seem to have sensitive parts on their arms. Their mouth is situated on the other side and their anus on top. Echinoderms have tentacle-like structures called tube feet, with suction pads situated at their extremities. These 2 feet are hydraulically controlled by a remarkable vascular system. The system supplies water through canals of small muscular tubes to the tube feet. As the tube feet press against a moving object, water is withdrawn from them, resulting in a suction effect. When water returns to the canals, suction is released. The resulting locomotion is generally very slow, and the phylum Echinodermata falls under the kingdom Animalia.
Starting off with sea stars are characterized by radial symmetry, several arms, 5 or multiplied by 5, radiating from a central body. Mouth and anus are close together on the underside. The anus is at the center of the disc, together with the water intake. The upper surface is often very colorful. Minute pincer-like structures called pedicelaria are present. These structures ensure that the surface of the arms stay free from algae. The underside is often a lighter color.
Crinoids are neither abundant nor familiar organisms today. However, they dominated the Paleozoic fossil record of echinoderms and shallow marine habitats until the Permo-Triassic extinction, when they suffered a near-complete extinction. Many Paleozoic limestones are made up largely of crinoid skeletal fragments. Stalked crinoids, or sea lilies, lived attached to the bottom and filtered food particles from the currents flowing past them. The extant crinoids are the only remaining attached suspension-feeding echinoderms. This makes them an important group for paleontologists studying the numerous extinction-attached suspension-feeding echinoderms because they have only the living crinoids to examine as an example of this ancient mode of life. The living stalked crinoids mostly inhabit deep water and are therefore difficult for the average underwater enthusiast to observe. At the top of the page is a living specimen of a comatulid, an unstalked crinoid or feather star. It superficially resembles a starfish, but the mouth faces up and the comatulid crawls by walking on specialized structures called cirri.
Brittle stars are close relatives of sea stars, characterized by radial symmetry with a central body from which 5 snake-like arms protrude. The arms are highly flexible. There is no application of internal organs, just one set in the central disc. Compared to starfish, brittle stars have a much smaller central disc and no anus. Wastes are eliminated through the mouth, which is situated on the underside center. On the underside of the body disc, there is no split-like opening at the base of each side of each arm. These 10 openings are breathing and reproductive outlets, taking in water for oxygen and shedding eggs or sperm into the sea. The basket stars are specialized type of brittle stars. They have series of complexly branched arms which are used to catch plankton. Serpent stars are seen coiled snake-like around the branches of gorgonians.
The sea cucumber. Unlike other echinoderms, holotherians don't have a distinct radial symmetry but are bilateral, with distinct dorsal and ventral sides. Holotherians are also called sea cucumbers, as their name suggests. They are cucumber-shaped with an elongated muscular flexible body, with a mouth at one end and the anus at the other. Around the mouth there is a number of tentacles with modified 2 feet used in food collecting. Sea cucumbers come in many sizes, from small species only a few centimeters in length to long snake-like animals which may stretch up to 2 meters. The sea urchin has a radial symmetrical body with an external chitinous skeleton and a centrally located jaw, called Aristotle's lantern, with horny teeth. The mouth consists of a complex arrangement of muscles and plates surrounding the circular opening. The anus is located on the upper surface. Some sea urchins have a spherical bulb-like cloaca to store fecal material that protrudes from the anal opening. It can be withdrawn into the shell. Depending on the species, movable spines of various sizes and forms are attached to the body. These spines often are sharp, pointed, and in some cases even venomous. Pincer-like pedicellaria for grabbing small prey. Some pedicellaria are also poisonous.
We chose to do our model on the sea cucumber. The sea cucumber has major body parts such as the respiratory tree, which are systems of highly branched tubes on either side of the body that help regulate the respiratory system. The Polyam vesicle, which helps maintain pressure in the system and hold reserve supplies of fluid. The stomach, which helps the animal digest food and keep its digestive system normal. The gonad, which makes sperms or eggs. The madreporite, which lets water into the water vascular system. The water ring or the ring canal is a circular canal that is near the mouth and carries water from the stone canal and the radial canal in the water vascular system. The tentacles, which help it move around, and the anus, which helps release waste into the sea. And this has been the phylum Echinodermata. Thank you.